This is my month vlog for May 2021. We're already well into June, but most of my camera stuff has been packed away in drawers for a couple of weeks. We're selling this flat, so I am trying to be neat and tidy, and that involved taking most of my tech stuff and packing it away. So I sold my flat in May, so it was a very busy month. So I spent a lot of time trying to sell furniture, pack things up, and get the rest of things moved down. My parents came up and I saw them, which was great. I've not really seen them that much over the last year due to the pandemic, so it was great to have them visit. So May just disappeared. I don't really know where it went. Started the month with the Scottish parliamentary election. I voted for Bruce Wilson and the Scottish Liberal Democrats. I continued to take photos with the 52frames.com weekly photo challenge. There was several interesting challenges. The main thing I'm finding, although I'm not really pushing my photography that much, is good to have the weekly challenge because it forces me to go out and think about what I can take a photo of. So please do check out my profile there. I spent the month reading Dante's Divine Comedy and some books around that. It's a poem that requires some interpretation and some sort of knowledge of the situations and people that he's talking about. So I found it really interesting. I quite enjoyed it, and I quite enjoyed reading around it and some of the history of Florence at the time. I also read some books on thinking in systems and some books on and a book on mindfulness-based stress reduction, so full catastrophe living. I'm interested in the techniques of meditation and using mindfulness and controlling your breathing in order to reduce stress and be able to focus better. I've been out cycling. I went out a few times in the Pentlands, just extending a route and finding little additional loops that I could add on. I posted some of those tours on Strava and Komoot for other people to find, and some photography on my Instagram. Towards the end of the month, lockdown was lifted in most of Scotland, and it was really good that bars, restaurants, cafes are now open for business. We've been able to sit outside for a while. I'm still personally sitting outside. A lot of my friends and so on are just getting their doses of the vaccine in the last few weeks. So just maintaining distancing, but it's really good to be out and about again, meeting up for brunch or drinks or food. Had my first date night with Harry in a year, eating out at a restaurant, which was great. So looking forward to hopefully the vaccination programme putting a dent into the pandemic in the UK. June is going to be quite a busy month. I'm looking forward to it. I'm starting work with a couple of different clients on some new projects. Took a rest during May, but June is back to freelance contract lifestyle, sharing details of the work as the projects complete towards the end of the month and over the summer. So I hope that wherever you are safe and well, and that COVID isn't taking too much of a toll. I will see you at the end of the month for another vlog update.